Why most people stay average and how to escape. Take a second and look around you at your coworkers, classmates, neighbors, even your own family. You'll notice something strange. Most people aren't actually living. They're just running the same day on repeat, like a Netflix series stuck on autoplay. Same complaints, same routines, same dreams they never chase. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people aren't average by accident. They choose it every single day. And unless you wake up, you'll end up in the same cycle too. Why most people stay average. It's not laziness. It's not lack of talent. The real prison is built out of 3 invisible chains. Chain number 1, comfort as a drug. Comfort isn't safety, it's sedation. People treat comfort like oxygen, when in reality it's anesthesia. That's why they stay in jobs they hate, relationships that drain them, and lifestyles that bore them to death. They're not alive, they're just numb. Chain number 2, the fast food brain. We've been wired to crave quick dopamine hits. The scroll, the binge, the next delivery, the swipe. Every quick reward is like eating mental junk food. It feels good in the moment, but quietly kills your long-term hunger for something bigger. Chain number 3, the sideways mirror. Instead of asking, am I closer to who I want to become? People ask, am I doing slightly better than my friend or cousin? That's like running a race while staring at the runners next to you instead of the finish line. No wonder they never move forward. But here's the plot twist. The people you admire, the ones breaking records, building companies, living with freedom, they weren't born with some secret gift. They just broke the chains. They traded comfort for growth, short-term pleasure for long-term wins, and comparison for self-mastery. Here's your escape plan, simple but not easy. Step 1, the 1% shift. Stop trying to overhaul your whole life in one dramatic burst. That's why people quit after 2 weeks. Instead, pick one thing and get 1% better every day. A tiny gain multiplied by months turns into a life you don't recognize. Step 2, architect your environment. Willpower is overrated. Environment is everything. If you keep junk food in the house, you'll eat it. If you keep toxic people around, you'll act like them. Want to change your life? Redesign the room, the routine, the people. Your environment should pull you toward your goals automatically. Step 3, build your skill stack. Forget trying to be the best at one thing. That game is rigged. Instead, become dangerous by combining skills. Good at writing plus psychology plus business? You're lethal. Decent at fitness plus communication plus branding? You're unstoppable. Average people chase one lane. Winners build highways. Here's what nobody wants to admit. Time is not neutral. It's either your greatest investor or your biggest debt collector. Every day you put this off, you dig yourself deeper into average. Someone else out there, with less talent than you, is stacking their 1% daily and passing you without even noticing. The difference between average and exceptional isn't one giant leap. It's 1,000 small choices stacked while everyone else is asleep. So here's my challenge. Pick one area of your life and commit to 30 days of compounding 1% gains. No hacks. No waiting for motivation. Just proof through action. Because a year from now, you'll either look back and thank yourself for starting today, or you'll be in the exact same spot, telling yourself the exact same excuses. Average people get inspired and move on. Exceptional people hear this and start. So which one are you? If this hit you, hit that like button, subscribe, and then shut this video off. Not to scroll, not to binge, but to take the first step. Your escape starts right now.